Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm back with another of my poetry reading videos, and today I'm also going to talk about a movie that I watched a few weeks ago. My poem reading is for a reason today because I watched this movie and I realized that I actually had written a poem similar to the theme quite a long time back. I guess it has been almost 2 years. Yes, I've written this poem on June 13, 2022, but I watched the movie recently, and the movie is Meet Joe Black. It's an amazing movie, I have to tell you. But before I start my video and my poetry reading and also a small review of the movie Meet Joe Black, starring Brad Pitt, Anthony Hopkins, and there's an actress called, I guess, Clara Florentine. I'm not very sure, but I guess that's her name. And these are the three main protagonists of the movie. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Mona Lisa Joshi. I'm an author, poet, editor, and also I'm a publisher. I run my contemporary publishing house from New Delhi, India. And today, a little bit about the movie I will tell you. I actually was watching this movie because I'm a big fan of Brad Pitt. I really admire him. I have watched many of his movies and I really find him quite attractive. And this movie is from the year 1998, when he was very young, very attractive. And the movie is about how death becomes a character and entity into the movie. The beginning is like Brad Pitt dies in the beginning, and then death takes over his body and meets this multi-millionaire man who is a tycoon, who conducts with many principles, and that is what attracts death towards him. And this character is played by Anthony Hopkins, and he starts hearing some voices in his head, and then suddenly death visits him, and of course it's Brad Pitt, played by Brad Pitt, because they show that he dies in the beginning only. So death actually wants to stay with him. He tells him that you have this certain amount of time, I will take you along with me, and for that I'm on a vacation. That says that he's on a vacation and he wants to see the working of earthlings, how they conduct, how they behave, and his way of lifestyle and everything. But the main thing, the twist that happens, is that death falls in love with Anthony Hopkins' daughter, and this is what worries him, because he feels that it is not good for death to fall in love, because if he takes his daughter, that means she would also die. So he requests him that he leaves her alone. But what happens next in the movie is something really interesting. So please watch this movie. Now coming to my poem, the theme is pretty much similar. I wrote this poem in 2022, as I've told you. So this is my poem, When Death Became a Lover. Isn't it quite similar to the movie I've just explained? Please do watch this movie. This is amazing. This is a drama fantasy movie, and how they have shown that death is something not to be scared of. It's more like an entity, more like a character, and it also becomes a lover. So my poem is also When Death Became a Lover, and this is on my blog, and I'm reading it out from my blog. My blog is Mona Lisa Joshi. That's what my name is, and my blog is also filled with many poems, short stories, and some of the books that I've published, my original works that I've published from my publishing house, apart from the other anthologies with other authors that I've published. So let's start reading When Death Became a Lover. Death doesn't hide these days in the shadows. He stays among us, becoming one in many faces. It had stayed here for long. Neither the kings nor their kingdoms could escape. It slowly touched and turned into ashes the walls of the great kings and queens. But none have ever left. Death keeps them bringing to us, like a history that wants itself to be repeated. And what if one day its heart will fall for a woman? It's true the gods and demons have fallen for mortal women. Time and again a woman can make wars. A woman had made history, changed time's course, vulnerable, fragile, her heart full of love. And one day a woman took away death's heart. Like a lover, like a man, it wanted to make love to her. Night after night, it wanted to hold her youthful face into his sinuous palms and kiss her supple lips with his tight ones that had never uttered words of compassion or sighs. But how she made him follow her everywhere. Into the shadows he hid in the nights, watching silently her sleeping body from the dark. He kept brooding around her, dying to make love. But he was death. He could not touch life. She sensed its presence for long. She saw him standing, strong, tall and dark, all covered in black, his heavy robe flowing. Touched whatever, all turned to ashes, so he hid away from her. His ugliness he couldn't show. But for first that woman stood in her skin, allowing him to touch her soul and make love. Death became the biggest lover that night. For the first in thousands of years, he threw away all cursed garments of his, held her into his lap. They made love. She was not dying in his arms, to his surprise. He felt more for her as much he touched her bare anatomy. She didn't turn to ashes, nor did she fade away into an old woman. Death couldn't fathom. But he cared less, loved her more. Nights were his. He was becoming a man who had a woman by his side. The gods granted him a gift, but this time it came with a price, for he will have to die like any mortal. Death agreed as long she was his side. Death had tasted love for first, but now couldn't sleep for the souls that he had ripped. He heard the curses at nights of their loved ones and hatred towards him. He closed his ears in pain. Tears incessant he had gained. The only balm to his stone heart was the woman he had loved. She gently lulled him to sleep every night. Alas, death had to part away, as love made him a man, and he couldn't escape death too. He again roams over this earth and into many universes with a heart full of love now. He had tasted desires and became the greatest lovers of all time, and one day again it will fall in love with a woman into another time and make love to her. Death walks among us like a man, sits with us, dines with us, and cares, for he had known love. Death touches everything and everyone gently and in silence. So this was my poem, Death, and Death Became Her Lover, and When Death Became a Lover. And this poem I've read. If you now watch the movie, you will feel that this is quite similar to what the movie the plot actually shows in Meet Joe Black. Joe Black is the name given to him when he comes to visit Anthony Hopkins, and his family is asking who is this person. He introduces him as Joe Black, and that is how he gets his name, Joe Black. So the movie is amazing, and this was my poem. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you really want to know more about my work, I also run a page called Mona Lisa's Talk Show, where I do interviews with authors and poets. So if you are someone out there who has a published work and wants to get interviewed, you can connect with me in the mail ID given in description. I would be happy to interview you, and please do subscribe and support my literary journey, and also pick some of my books. They are available on Amazon. Just type books by Mona Lisa Joshi and you will find all the books written by me as a list, and you can choose any one of them. And the best part is that you get a signed copy because I am the publisher as well. So you always get a signed copy. Bye all, have a great day.